Finally, time to eat some food, man. I've been fasting for 22 hours and it's time to eat some grub. Here I have 600 grams of red potato, which I'm gonna put in the microwave for 10 minutes to cook. And I have 8 ounces of ground turkey and some mixed greens. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave real quick. Let's see how this turns out. Let's go. Alright, so the red potatoes are gonna go in the microwave for about 10 minutes. This and drink 32 ounces of. So next time, guys, remember, in order to make progress, you need to make sacrifices because excuses don't build muscles. I'm out.